Hi, I'm Philip, and I'm with Team Cypherflex 5, and I created Verifacta, a rapid response AI media fact checker. And now for our real-world problem that Verifacta is trying to help solve. In a fast-paced talk show environment, podcasts, debates, hosts are facing a constant stream of conflicting claims. Maintaining credibility and audience trust is hard when fact-checking is time-consuming, last-minute, and distracts from the live conversation. Verifacta's real-world solution seeks to instantly provide well-sourced, factual insights, enabling hosts to respond confidently and keep debates grounded in facts. With quick reference points at hand, they can maintain informed authority and navigate discussions smoothly, even when facing challenging on-the-spot claims. The technical implementation of Verifacta. First, audio capture, then speech-to-text conversion, then LLM-based fact extraction, then data-driven verification, then LLM-based argument generation, then near real-time rapid response. Now, for the technologies used, I used for the front end Electron.js, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. The backend consisted of Python, OpenAI API, and Google API in order to retrieve data and research from the internet. Now, the technical architecture consists of the Electron.js application. Once it's launched, the user selects Start Stream, the audio is captured from the front end, sent to the backend. It is then changed from audio to text. This text is then sent to the first GPT-4 agent, which checks the text for statements that can be fact-checked. So statements that are fact-checkable. It then sends this text to the Google Search API, which researches the topic for this topic. Then it sends this research to our final agent, which is also GPT-4 using the OpenAI API. And then this final agent takes the research from the Google API, takes the statement from the first agent, and then formulates arguments for and against the statement that was made. Then this information is passed along in a very user-friendly way, so the user, while using the app, while maintaining a show, or even being the backend team, can listen to what's happening, but also respond in real time, seeing information coming from the AI agents. Now, there's many potential impacts for an application like Verifacta. It instantly fact-checks during live broadcasts. It's very effective for live research results. It also enhances the host's confidence and credibility. It also allows for higher quality public discourse, and it streamlines media operations.
So much he used it in his course on climate change. But he said to the students, but that part about Venus is wrong. What happened on Venus cannot physically happen on the Earth, and he explained why. Now, I thought, who is this climate change denier? Well, he invited me into his lab, and he showed me the geologic history that he and others are finding, and they found no consistent correlation between carbon dioxide and Earth's temperature. At times, CO2 was 1,300% of today, and we were stuck in very cold conditions. So it was all over the board. So I started wondering, well, maybe he's right. He exposed me to a lot of people who actually showed me that there are thousands of scientists. And here's a book actually that illustrates that. It's called Climate Change Reconsidered. And this is on climatechangereconsidered.org. There are thousands of references here which talk about the fact that there is no foundation to the climate scare. It's all based on models that don't work.
But Tom, when you
And as for future improvements, I can see a lot of areas in which this application can mature, such as additional research API integrations. Right now, the app currently only uses the Google API. I would like to integrate other APIs for deeper research, such as Google Scholar or other news APIs. I would also like to add an input field for context, for pre-show context. Let's say that the user starts the stream and the conversation had already started. Maybe if there's an input field, the user can put this a little bit of context in to give that AI agent a little more understanding of what the conversation is about. Also, I would really like to allow the app to be fully real-time streaming without any manual stops in order to start the process.